the moment we're unblocking the drain with a machine. Once the drain's clear, then we can put the camera down and try and find out what's wrong. Once we get the camera down, then we can locate where the pipe actually runs.
When we ring Yarra Valley Water and ask for a point location, they tell me where their point is, which generally comes on the surface, and then the property sewer then connects into that boundary. So that's the boundary shaft, which is meant to run to the top, which we probably did, and they've concreted over it.
Stop. Go back a little.
Thank you.
That's where the drain runs into the main riser, and it's cracked right at that intersection where the main riser meets the drain, and tree roots are growing in the pipe. But we can only see that once we've unblocked it. And right on that intersection there's cracks. There's cracks in the PVC, and that's where tree roots are growing in. Pushing this button here sends a signal through the camera, and we can now locate it with a wand and find out exactly where it is.